No, you did not read the title of this video wrong.
How many bees does it take to carry a plane? How many beekeepers did the crew of Bee Movie visit before the movie got made? How many of them got stung? We'll tell you all the buzz right here. Released in 2007, the Bee Movie never quite left the limelight thanks to meme culture, YouTube videos, and yes, even protesters. Hi, I'm Tim with Channel Frederator, and today we're here to give you the scoop about bees, comedic bees, and the honey that keeps getting stolen from them. So get ready for some stinging trivia because we're here to give you 107 facts about the Bee Movie. Let's get started. Number 1. Bee Movie premiered in theaters on November 2nd, 2007. It was DreamWorks' 15th animated feature and released the same year as Shrek 3. Number 2. Bee Movie was directed by Steve Hitler and Simon J. Smith. Hitler also served as the director on The Prince of Egypt, and Smith directed 2014's Penguins of Madagascar. Number 3. The movie was written by a New York comedian. You might know him, Jerry Seinfeld. You know the one that you always go, what's the deal with bees? About. Flat base not included. Number 4. It should come as no surprise that Bee Movie also stars Jerry Seinfeld as the lead character. Barry B. Benson. See, Barry, it's kind of like Jerry, but with a B. Number 5. The movie